Excuse me, do I have something between my teeth? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay, I'm recording. It's going already, he didn't give it the gas.
Yeah, you like it?
Got it. Hey, Flying Wild Alaska, forward now. He's trying to get it closer. There you go, helicopter landing. I noticed that. Hey, you got something following your face. That's pretty cool.
Okay, I wasn't ready for that last one. Would you do it again?
No.
For those of you that weren't watching, and for me that wasn't videoing, Jeff set it on the ground, hit the wrong button, and the retracts pulled in. But I bet he could take it off like that anyway. Right now the wind is way too much to fly these planes. Yeah. But you'll have to look on Dementia 0090 to see my flight. And as I was explaining to Jeff, if he's going to fly in this kind of wind, he's going to have to be a better pilot than I am. Or maybe he's even going to have to be as good as I am. Otherwise, I wouldn't be flying. Whoa, you can hear it or feel it? Yeah, you can hear it now. It's blowing hard. I know I'm not going up again. But, whoa, he's got reverse. He's put it in reverse again. Wrong gear, Jeff.
Maybe the Chinese guys are laughing. Miles an hour. I think your name's Jack.
We'll just do it in our native tongue of Texan.
Holy crap.
Holy crap! We'll fix that wind meter so nobody can fly with it. A guy driving the car is thinking, I bet I can hit the one on the left. If you take off and crash, I'm going to feel bad if you're doing it because I told you I'd do it.
I quit listening to you a long time.
That was a good plan.
Sweep away to the right. Huh? It's gonna...
So the landing gear's down. I don't know if it's gonna land here. Up or down? Apparently down so fast. Oh, it's getting filled with wind. Damn, that truck went. You're gonna have to do it again. That truck blocked me when you landed.